Next, there is a feature that only 2 of you have taken advantage of, only 2 of you. And I'd like to again compliment actually Tracy Dietz from Mississippi. Tracy, who are you? Tracy discovered all on her own a feature that I don't think most of you are aware of yet, which is that within your profile you can actually feature and highlight one of your own business member, sort of a flavor of the month, or welcome our new member, our new business member on board, or you can highlight a board member of your own board for a month or so and kind of incentivize and give that person or that organization a special boost. So Tracy went ahead and did this. If you scroll down within your profile, in this case we're going to use Mississippi, right here Tracy is featuring Pat Thomason, who won an award for 2014 Businesswoman of the Year. And I assume that Pat is a business member of yours? She is. There you go. So Tracy, if you wouldn't mind telling us, how did you select to feature Pat and why, and what was the payoff for her?
She won this award. She is a great member. We like to feature our members because we do offer those member services and focus more on the business. We found this to be a great advertisement of the benefits that a World Trade Center can offer. That network out there is huge to Mississippi and our businesses, more so than some of the other World Trade Centers that don't, focus on the member and have the event facility that we do not. So
great.
I have a great assistant that found this feature, and so I have to give her kudos.
Please do, please do. So it's actually very, very easy to upload this information. It takes less than 2 minutes. Deviki, if you were to go ahead and click edit, please, once you're logged into the portal, and you see all you have to do to switch to feature a new company or feature a new board member, you type in their name, you type in their website, so the company website that you would like this to point to, and you just copy and paste a very short bio about that person or that company. Go ahead and close. And now when somebody clicks on the Learn More button, this button right here directs the user straight to that person's company. So it's a great feature, especially for new members, especially for anybody that you would like to highlight or thank.